welcome back. So today we're doing pendulum work. You've either gone to the Ormukto Galleria and picked up a kit, which would have included this mat, this beautiful fluorite, crystal pendulum. This one here is the clear quartz, and it would have included a smudge kit. So as you can see, I'm smudging at the moment. If you want to know more about smudging, go to the Herb Mom channel that you're watching this at, and I do a whole video on smudging and explaining smudging. I also have a video there on crystals, and the crystal that we're using today is the fluorite. This piece of fluorite and a few others were recently completed their cleansing cycle, and that's why these particular crystals are in this kit. They're actually quite cleansed, and you can watch that in the video about crystal cleansing. So let's get started a little bit about what's going on here. So in your kit you would have received a pendulum. This is my pendulum, and when I smudge, I've already done this, but I've gone in and I've smudged, and I will ask the higher power, the archangels and my ancestors to come down and to help guide me through whatever it is that I'm supposed to see today, or to read about today, or to receive messages that I'm supposed to get today. And I ask them that. So here I am doing a video, and the first thing I'm going to do is ask the pendulum to show me a yes. Now what I've done is I will put my hand underneath it, because this is where the energy comes from. It's through your body. So this is all energy work. Show me a yes. So that's a yes, and then show me a no. So for me, the yes is a circle and the no is straight and forth, back and forth. This tends to be how it goes on my pendulum, but I always ask before I start any pendulum work, just to make sure that we're all on the same page. So what does this mean for you? Okay, so show me a yes, show me a no, some basic stuff. Let's talk about the kit first. In the kit, you're going to get this shell. It has a Palo Santo stick. It has smudge stick, which is sage. It has a tiny little feather. It's the cutest little kit ever. And you can put all of these things into your shell and light them, blow it out, and smudge your area. You're going to get your crystal pendulum, same as idea as what I'm using, and you're going to get your fluorite and your mat. So let's talk about this mat a little bit, shall we? This particular mat has phrases and numbers. It has a yes, no, maybe, has a rephrase, it has numbers and the letters of the alphabet. There are other mats that you can get that show your horoscope signs, months of the year. You can use that if you're more comfortable and you want a more specific answer. I will say that, I don't know, let's have a little fun, shall we? All right, so my niece Stephanie's pregnant. So can I ask questions about Stephanie's baby, little baby Helen? All right, good, I got a yes. I always qualify that before I even start. So show me, does Helen, is her birthday, will be in July? Yes or no? Is Helen's birthday going to be in July? Yes. Her due date's early July. So we're going to check some things out. So does her birthday include 1? That's a no. Does her birthday include a 2? And that's a yes. Does her birthday include a 3? That's a no. Does her birthday include a 4? Oh, that's a yes. Well, how I'm going to read that is the 7. This is 7th month, so it does include her birthday. So we're going to see how accurate this is. Like I said, it's for fun. I'll let you know how accurate I was. But you can ask anything from questions about your health. Do I need more calcium in my diet? No, good for calcium. Are there other supplements? Like, okay, before I even started the question, so somebody wants to tell me I need to do something else. Let's see here. Can you show me the supplement, what it starts with? So it kind of showed me something on the L. Should I increase my lutein? Yeah, okay. So I take lutein for my eyes. So you can use your pendulum in this way. You can use it in other ways. But that's Pendulum 101. Very basic, not hard to figure out, not hard to, it's not overly complicated. So that's it for today. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Bye for now.